Hi, I'm Ashley Gage, and today I'm going to teach you how to build a basic web page. So first, let's start by opening up Sublime Text. This is the text editor we'll be using. If you don't have it already, you can download it right here at sublimetext.com. Okay, so once you've downloaded Sublime Text, we're going to start a new file and we're going to call it basicpage.html. And let's save that under our Documents folder. Now to start, we're going to do an HTML tag. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and everything is going to go inside these two tags. Next comes our body tag, and everything we want our user to see is going to show up inside the body tag. Now let's do an H1, and I'll tell you more about that later. For now, let's just put in Hello World so we can see how this looks. Save it and open it up in your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Right-click and open in browser. Now you can see your page. This looks pretty good, but up here isn't so great, so let's fix that. Right above body, we're going to type head. And you want to line up your tags. Now, inside head, we're going to write title. This will change what that says up there on that title bar. So right here, let's call it My Basic Page. Save that and let's see how it looks. That is much better. Congratulations, this is your basic page. Now for the bonus lesson. Here I'm going to teach you about headings, which is the H1 that we learned about earlier. So there are 6 headings: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. These are all different sizes. So first let's get rid of Hello World, and we're going to type heading 1. And in H2, heading 2, and we're going to do the same thing for the rest of these tags. Alright, so now once we finish, we're going to save and check it out. Okay, so here are headings. And as you can see, they get smaller as we go down. So H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest. Alright, you did headings. That's it. For more HTML tutorials, please subscribe to my channel, and if you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, see you next time.